I'm going to share my favorite AI tools that will instantly help you get more done in less time, and it only takes 2 minutes to set up. Using AI to enhance productivity is a game changer. It's all about streamlining tasks and saving time. Imagine having more hours in the day to focus on the things you love. With AI, you can automate repetitive tasks, prioritize your workload, and even get personalized recommendations to help you stay on track. In today's fast-paced world, staying productive is a top priority. But let's face it, it's not always easy. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and messages, making it difficult to stay focused. But what if you could offload some of that mental load to an AI assistant? Think about it. With AI, you can process vast amounts of information in a matter of seconds. You can analyze data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions without breaking a sweat. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. Productivity is all about maximizing your output while minimizing your input. And with AI, you can do just that. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential and achieve more in less time? We all know the feeling. You're sitting at your desk, staring at a mountain of tasks, and you have no idea where to start. Information overload is a real thing, and it's a major productivity killer. You get bogged down in emails, meetings, and messages, and before you know it, the day is over, and you haven't accomplished anything meaningful. But it's not just information overload that's the problem. Lack of focus is another major obstacle. You get distracted by social media, YouTube, or just plain old procrastination. You mean to get started on that big project, but somehow, you just can't seem to get out of the starting blocks. And then there's the pressure to constantly be on. The feeling that you need to be constantly connected, constantly productive, and constantly available. It's exhausting, and it's a surefire way to burn out. We're all guilty of it. We get stuck in a routine, and we don't know how to break free. We're like hamsters on a wheel, going round and round, but not really getting anywhere. And the worst part is, we don't even realize we're stuck until it's too late. But what if you could break free from that cycle? What if you could harness the power of AI to boost your productivity, streamline your workflow, and free up more time for the things you love? Imagine having a personal assistant that could schedule your appointments, respond to emails, and even make recommendations for your next project. It's like having a super smart, super efficient sidekick that's always got your back. With AI, you can create custom workflows that automate tedious tasks, freeing up more time for creative thinking and problem solving. You can analyze data to identify trends and patterns, and even predict future outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what you need to do to achieve your goals. There are so many AI tools out there that can help you boost your productivity. From task management apps to automation tools, virtual assistants, and even AI-powered writing tools, the options are endless. One of my favorite AI tools is a task management app that uses machine learning to prioritize my tasks based on their urgency and importance. It's like having a personal project manager that ensures I'm always focusing on the most critical tasks. Another tool I love is an automation platform that allows me to create custom workflows for repetitive tasks. It's like having a team of virtual assistants that work around the clock to get things done. And then there's AI-powered writing tools that help me generate content faster and more efficiently. It's like having a co-writer that's always suggesting new ideas and helping me stay on track. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you don't have to be a tech expert to use them. Most AI tools are designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can start using them right away. One of the most inspiring success stories I've come across is that of an entrepreneur who was struggling to keep up with her workload. She was working 12-hour days, 7 days a week, and still wasn't able to get everything done. But then she discovered an AI-powered virtual assistant that could automate most of her tasks. Within a few weeks, she was able to reduce her workload by 50% and free up more time for strategy and growth. The results were staggering. She was able to increase her revenue by 20% and even landed a few major clients. It was a total turnaround, and it was all thanks to the power of AI. Another success story that comes to mind is that of a remote worker who was struggling to stay focused. He was working from home, but was constantly getting distracted by social media, emails, and household chores. But then he discovered an AI-powered productivity app that could block out distractions and help him stay on track. Within a few weeks, he was able to increase his productivity by 30% and even started taking on more projects. He was able to work less and earn more, all thanks to the power of AI. These success stories are a testament to the power of AI in boosting productivity. By automating tedious tasks, streamlining workflows, and providing personalized recommendations, AI can help you achieve more in less time. So, let's recap using AI to enhance productivity as a game changer. It can help you streamline tasks, prioritize your workload, and even provide personalized recommendations to help you stay on track. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring AI tools and applications today, and see the difference it can make in your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences with productivity tools in the comments below. If you want to learn more about productivity tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video.